Crimea's indigenous Tatars are considering their own referendum in the wake of Russia's annexation of the region. Rifat Chubarov, the head of the 250-strong Tatar assembly, says the body will discuss the move on Saturday. There are 300,000 of us here in Crimea. We're not as numerous as ethnic Russians or even ethnic Ukrainians. But this is our land. We don't have any other land beyond Crimea. No one asked us before the referendum or before the troops invaded how we wanted to live. Crimean Tatars distrust Moscow following the mass deportation of their ancestors by Soviet authorities in 1944. The March the 16th referendum was largely boycotted by the Tatars.